Hey, coach, I want to join football.
Come after school, man.
All right. Hey, coach, let's start practicing now.
Yeah. Around time.
Hey, Shaina,
What's that?
I got you a gift.
Oh wow.
You want to see it right now?
Yes, sir.
Here, look.
Oh wow, card.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, that was good stuff. Hey, coach. Yeah, I've been thinking I should just stay in the team. It's actually helping me. It's like football is actually my life. All right. So we're gonna practice that like later on today or today, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. I'll come. What time?
9.
9 in the morning.
Yeah.
From 9 to what?
12.
Okay. Would you marry me?
No. China. Say. Sorry. Come on, safe.
I don't think I should copy her. I might just do my own.
Okay. That was really good. Cut.
Hey, boy, come here.
Yes, sir.
Trust me and play football.
All right.
You don't play hard.
Okay. Where's your coach?
Hey, boy.
Coach.
Trust me and play football.
Oh, it's a lot of pain. I'm gonna be in the hospital after the games. Forget it. I'm quitting. Peace out, man. Die, you idiot, die! Freaking sumo wrestler, what are you? Die, you idiot! Oh my god! Start. Oh my god, I'm gonna just restart this game.
See.
Oh my gosh, safe. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm alright.
Man, you can't do this.
Man, I just gotta learn, that's all.
Alina's better than you.
Can you help me?
Sure.
See. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, safe. Are you okay?
I'm hurt!
Go cry to your mama.
Shut up, coach!
Chala. Hey.
I'm quitting football, man. Hurts a lot.
Okay, you go do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. What are you gonna do about that?
I almost do the hell out of it.
Daddy, how you gonna sue me?
Hey, do next practice or home.
I think I do. I might make some time.
Alright.
Alright?
When?
When do you want to start?
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come.
Hey, do you need extra practice or what? Football.
Heck no, man. I don't need no extra practice. I'm already too good for that.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the team B will throw